Are you having problem on the Mindful Chef application, like your orders are not showing, or if you are having any kind of tracking issues? Well, there are some things that you can try in order to fix this problem. First, let's talk about technical glitches. You need to make sure that your device is connected to a network first. So swipe down from your notification center and make sure your Wi-Fi or cellular data is turned on and is connected to a network while making your order. However, if you are not having any kinds of network issues but still having problems on the application or on the website, you want to go to your application, tap and hold on to it and click on App Info. After that, you want to tap on Storage and Cache and clear your cache and storage from here. After that, you want to open the app again. And if you are still having the problem, you want to simply contact the customer support team. On the official page, you want to tap on these three bars, tap on About Us. Or if it's taking too long, what you can do is you can go to the search bar and search for Mindful Chef. After that, you want to simply tap on that. You'll be able to see the official Mindful Chef customer service number over here. You can give a call on this number and clarify your questions over there. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.